And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Very foggy this morning. You can barely see the courthouse behind me, so very foggy. We're seeing fog less than about a quarter of a mile in many areas through the WL5 viewing area. 40 degrees right now, wind very calm, and we are going to be seeing increased moisture in the atmosphere today and very warm air this afternoon. Some of us are in the 40s, but you can see here from the National Weather Service a dense fog advisory. This goes until 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for all of the WL5 viewing area. Temperatures actually mid 40s there. Frankfort 40 in Lafayette, 36 up in Remington. So the warm air starting to move into our region, and we'll be up in the 60s later today. So as you can see, pretty clear weather from Lafayette all the way down to the southwest toward Wichita, Kansas. But our next low pressure system that will impact us tonight, and that major cold front, that will move in overnight into very early Saturday morning, about 6 o'clock in the morning Saturday. But it looks like the severe weather will be well ahead of that once we get toward tonight. So we'll time this out. We'll go ahead and see some cloud cover move in by 11 o'clock, maybe some areas of patchy drizzle this morning into the early afternoon, so maybe a spotty shower. But this right here at 4 o'clock, this is the warm front lifting through the area. This will be non-severe, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, but this will quickly race off to the northeast, and we'll see a little break in the action after about 6 o'clock. Maybe a few scattered showers, but the severe portion does not happen until when it's dark and it's overnight. Most of us in bed already by about 11:30. So notice some showers and thunderstorms associated with this at 11:30, and then we'll actually have a secondary round come in. This will probably be non-severe, but we could see a few severe wind gusts with this cold front that will pass through at about 5:30 in the morning Saturday. But once that passes, we'll get very windy and very cold, and yes, we could even see a few snow showers by lunchtime tomorrow. Very cold and windy. Wind gusts could get up to about 50 miles per hour. So some of the totals that we're seeing here, maybe a half an inch in spots, but as we get towards some of the heavier thunderstorms, could see an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches underneath the stronger storms. Now watch the wind gusts here. By this afternoon, we'll be up to about 35 miles per hour, and into the evening, once the cold front's passing and we're seeing some of the stronger storms, 35, 45 miles per hour, not out of the question. And then once we get toward tomorrow, boy, we really start to ramp things up close to 50 miles per hour wind gusts for Saturday morning and into Saturday afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has risen the slight risk up a little bit more, and I wouldn't be surprised if they lift it further north this afternoon. Damaging winds, heavy rain, and given the wind profile in the atmosphere, we could see brief isolated tornadoes, brief spin up or two within the line for tonight, really about after 11:30. So we'll watch that closely. The rest of the day though, 50 at lunchtime, and then rising temperatures in the 60s by late tonight. Our high temperature for tomorrow will occur very early in the morning, fall through the day, very windy and breezy, just a very chilly and cold day tomorrow. But as you can see, Sunday will actually clear things out. Saturday late, and then we'll see sunshine Sunday, Monday, actually a couple of good days. And we'll be back in the 50s, still well above average, and we are tracking another cold front move in with the potential for some storms next Thursday as another cold front comes in.
Hey, speaking of storms, David, looks like they're going to roll in tonight, kind of a bad time.
Yeah, you know what, we've been discussing this last night, how December, we don't really think of severe weather, so a lot of people aren't thinking that, you know, severe weather could happen. Well, tonight we could see some strong storms, so make sure to have that weather radio on and get that free Storm Team 18 weather app online and get that so you can get alerts and everything pushed to your phone.
Absolutely. Stay weather aware. David, thank you so much.